Rasta man want men fighting on me usu. Me usu. Bring it on me roof. Over to me usu.
Girl in this village. My mama used to tell me, daughter, you'll be great tomorrow. But here I am today, by the grace of Jarasta. Everybody wanna dance my song. All my people, they might want me to play. All the people, they might want me to play. All the people, they might want me to play.
Me manna. Me manna.
Play me guitar.
Oh.
Me manna.
Yes. Me soundtrack. Song. Me lay down like a bumbleclaw. Me and the ratty man, we be the come to entertain the people up on the Jamaica God, the ratty man. Ratty man rapping like a puyaka. You begin on me heart, man. You begin on me heart, man.
I have my reasons why I don't want to give you my foreign currency. Because it will stress you to go and change it. Once you finish changing it, when you are standing there with the malam, your heart will break.
Dadabere came back with plenty hard currency and she's dashing people money anyhow in the community.
That whatever you want me to do for you, or that you want this community to do for you, mention it and I will do it.
If he dares decline, I am going to take everything I have given to him from the beginning to the end.
It's not necessarily my will to get married. But for this upheaval, I will marry him.
What is your problem?
Why is that?
What is your problem?
Two of you can bring the 2 million naira. You don't have to fight. I can give two of you $20 million. $10 million for you, $10 million for you. And you go to the city to change it, you take your money.
Hey!
Dabiri, you can have this.
You old men have this kind of money.
Yes. Take.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.